this video, we're going to take a look at just evaluating just a single trig function here, but utilizing those special right triangles. Okay, now this says asking for the secant of pi over 6. There is a variety of ways you can do this. All right, but if you realize that pi over 6 is the same thing as 30 degrees, then we're really asking for the secant of 30 degrees. All right, if you reference that, since it is 30, and if you use your reference triangle for a 30-60 right triangle, if you have that memorized, then it makes this question actually kind of pretty simple using your right triangle trig here. So a 30-60 right triangle, all right, roughly here, maybe kind of drawn to scale. Let's put our 30 degree up here. Since this is our shorter side, we'll put our 60 here. Okay, now in a 30-60 right triangle, across from your 30 side is 1, your hypotenuse is 2, and across from 60 is square root of 3. So there's your reference triangle, that being a side across from 30 is 1. Okay, so in this 30 degrees, secant of 30 degrees. Well, here's my 30 degrees. All right, now I do need to know my right triangle trig here. So let's see, if I've got secant of 30 degrees, my right triangle definition is going to be a hypotenuse over adjacent. Again, you do have to have that memorized. Okay, so here's your 30. The hypotenuse is a 2, so we'll put that 2 on top. The adjacent side is the square root of 3. All right, so 2 square root of 3. Now, most people are going to want to rationalize that. So 2 over square root of 3. If we're going to rationalize that, we're going to multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. All right, which then is going to give us a final answer of 2 square root of 3 over 3. All right, technically both of those answers are equivalent, but this is the rationalized one. Okay, so again, lots of different ways finding your trig values. You can use that unit circle. You can use some special right triangles if you're dealing with a 30-60 or a 45-degree angle. All right, just a lot of different ways. So you just got to be open to all the different possibilities. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, be sure and share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.